The 2007 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, backup camera, power steering, cruise control, power windows, compass, clock, fog lights, daytime running lights, front stabilizer bar. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.